Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold XAU USD next week movement. You see this yellow area, price ranging area, and I'm also marking strong sell zone in green color. Price has reached this area last week. It built rally bears rally. That's last week story. Now price is moved to downside. I mark this area. This buy zone is a strong buy opportunity area. I move to the line chart and you can see the left side in strong resistance. You can see in the left side I will mark this strong resistance, and this resistance should be support in this buy zone area. So that's a strong confirmation area for buy gold in this area. So I will predict price next week reach this area. Price next week gold movement, I will hoping price reach this buy zone area 1647 area and move to the upside like this. This is the first prediction of my price analysis next week. This is my first predictions. Price move to create higher high. That's the first hoping side in gold next week. And my second price prediction is I move to the 1 hour. That's I move to the 1 hour. That's I will see in this here in famous pattern that's called head and shoulder pattern. Thus I'll draw this pattern. It's a famous pattern in head and shoulder pattern. I'll see this area. I will draw this. This is the left shoulder. So head, this is the head, and this will create right shoulder. That's the famous reversal pattern, head and shoulder pattern. So price already created left shoulder and head, and price this high is very important. Left shoulder high area. This high area is very important zone. That's left shoulder, head and right shoulder will be create in next week. This high is very important pattern, and price move to the downside. My target is 1622. This is my next price prediction in gold next week. Thank you very much.